Right, we've got a couple of Honeywell zone valves on my heating system. We changed this one probably a couple of weeks ago because the gears had stripped out and it was just grinding away. That does the hot water, and this one does the heating, and heating's not working now. It's got a bit cold. It's been off all summer. See if I can do this one-handed. There we go. That's our live on the grey wire, which is the signal wire. It comes into the switch. That's our orange, which is the signal wire back out for the boiler. So if that valve had opened, we'd have power on the orange and the boiler would start and the heating pump would start. And this brown wire which comes up from a yellow, we've got nothing on there. So maybe we've got a problem with the thermostat or the controller. The way they work is that the little motor winds round. It basically turns a little tap inside the body of the valve. Then when it's made all the way, it's got a manual lever on there. Don't know if you see it in there. Hear that click, and that was the heating pump start. So that's working, that side of it. But I don't think we're getting any power on the brown wire. I'll have to see where that goes. Right, that's a thermostat. That's live in. That's live out. Nothing. That should be neutral. We've got 220 volts on the neutral. Well, there's 226, 225. So it looks like we've lost a neutral somewhere. I'll have to trace the wires back, see where they go. Right, back up here. There we go, let's have a quick check in there. It's all turned off, I think. It's off on the switch. That's air, I think it's written on there or something. RST. I think that's the one from the thermostat. Same colours. There we are. Loose wire. You can see that in there. The other two aren't in there very well either, two black wires. I reckon what's happened is when we put the new valve on here, we've moved that about and that's pulled out. So we'll get that put back in and we'll check all the other ones and then see how it goes. Can hear the pump running now. I would think that would pick it up, but it's not very sensitive, this thing. I like fluke stuff, but I've got to say I'm not very impressed with this one. So we had a couple of loose wires in there, one of the others was loose as well.